the most beneficent, the most merciful. Dear student friend follower, today I'd like to teach my PPSC English students because in PPSC English examiner mostly asks questions related to Word, PowerPoint, Microsoft Office. So packages like Microsoft Office, Microsoft PowerPoint, or MS Access, like these are the packages of Microsoft. So examiner can ask question related to Microsoft Office and especially Word. So I'd like to give little information related to computer. Since I'm not a teacher of computer science, I've studied computer in my FSC level. I've studied in BSc as well, so I have completed my BCS. I have little bit knowledge related to computer. So since I have knowledge, I want that I should guide my student. So let's see how to use Word. First of all, if you want to create any file, you need to go to first of all you open this, and as usual you open it. After that you can work over here. So especially in PPSC English, examiner can ask question, where is view. So in view especially they can ask that so how to you highlight something. So where is highlighter, or like a highlight option is available, especially in Word. So where is the word art? They even ask you that so in design what are the options. They can even ask you how to watermark things, like that, where watermark option is available. So if examiner asks where is a watermark option, you will say that is available in the design options. So if they ask where is the picture adding option is available, header is available, you will say that it is available in insert. So in insert it is available header like options. So if they say that where is a text available, header, footer, and even comment, bookmark, like this, so all these are available in insert. So if they ask where is kind of reference, in reference how many options are available, and they ask whether where is the APA style, where we write APA style. So this option you will say in reference it's available. So even they can ask you like this cut, copy, this option is available in home, especially home option, it's available, cut, copy. Even you can center your text, you can, and left side, your left side alignment is available. And even if they ask about let me guide you related to this. So let's suppose we write over here the ESL Academy. Okay, I write it over here. I want just bold it. So how to bold it? Control+B, and after that you can use these options. You can even underline it. Control+U is for underline, Control+C for copy. So I have clicked Control+C, and after that I can just Control+V, I can paste it. So Control+C is the option where you can just copy, but once you want to paste it, you need to press Control+V. So I write it for you, Ctrl+V. So once you press it together, pressing together Control+V, you can just paste it. You can even highlight it, just select it, and after selecting it, what you need to do, you just click on in kind of home options, and after this there is option ABC like options, and there is a highlighter as well. So you can select any highlighter. So here is yellow color, green color, so whatever you need to just select it. So option is available. You just need to, after just clicking on it, you can choose whatever you want. So here are a lot of tools available. You can just according to your wish, you can highlight it. It's not difficult, it's pretty easy. So if you people want to join our online class, so you can join us. We are teaching about linguistic literature along with general knowledge, and especially I have started for my PPSC students related to computer science knowledge as well. I'll be teaching about the computer science knowledge. You can just learn. It is, it's technical skill, and you need to learn this. Once you be joining us, you'll be taught about all these skills as well. So here is the option. You can even write with the styles. I can write over here. I have got option in Word. I can even write. If you want, you yearn to learn SIRRANA. Okay, so you can even just highlighter you can use. I can pick up highlighter from here, and here home, click on home options, and after that I choose this one, and there is a highlighter has been applied. So this is the method, my dear. I'll be teaching you all about this. There is we've got our class, and class time is 4 to 6 p.m. PPSC English. Stay blessed and have a nice time. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. This is our channels. You can just subscribe if you wish. Just go to YouTube or type the ESL Academy, and after just typing ESL Academy, you can learn. I can further guide you if you want to just learn about the ESL Academy. So just go over there, type the ESL Academy. Okay, just I'm typing over there, and after just typing, I have uploaded a lot of channels. So there are a lot of channels. I have so you just what you need to do, you can even open our channel.